go.
All right, friends, we are getting ready to start our calendar for today. So today is Tuesday, January 5th. Is today the 5th? Today's not the 5th, is it?
No.
No, today's the 6th. So Mrs. Hill must have forgot to hit save when I did this yesterday. So today is Wednesday, January 6th, 2021. Wednesday, January 6th. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to sing our days of the week. Or maybe we won't. It's not letting me share that one.
All right.
Can we go ahead and sing our days of the week? Because we all know our days of the week, right?
Here we go.
All right, let's go ahead and sing it. Ready? There's Sunday and
There's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
One more time.
Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Good job. All right. So again, it is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. We do not have school on Friday. So one more day of our school this week because Mrs. Mazingo and Mrs. Hill have school that we have to go to on Friday. So let's go ahead and work on our pattern. Our pattern this month is a snowman and a penguin. So, all right, let's go ahead and we have snowman, snowman, penguin, penguin. I saw one friend's lips moving where he said it was a snowman. So let's go ahead and try again. Snowman, snowman, penguin, penguin, snowman. Good job, both of our friends. All right. So I'm pretty sure that it was cloudy on Tuesday. And they said that it was going to be windy today. Or maybe they said windy on Tuesday, but they were right if it was windy on Wednesday. Windy on Wednesday. It's very windy outside. Mrs. Hill can hear her wind chimes on her porch blowing all morning. And it's just so nice. What do you think our weather is going to be like tomorrow? Let's make a prediction.
You see, I can.
Yep,
I got.
Yep. Someone?
I'm asking our friend to unmute. If you see where it says unmute,
Sunny.
There you go.
Oh, sunny. I heard sunny. We're going to put that right down in our prediction box.
Good job, my friend.
All right, let's go ahead and we're going to say our ABCs. Now let's do it all together. We ready?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
All right, counting all the way to 20.
Whoop, whoop.
Whoop, whoop. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Our friends are working hard today, Mrs. Nzingo.
They are.
All right, let's count backwards from 10. You ready? Starting out quietly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
All right, my friends. What shape is this?
Let's see. I'm going to ask you to unmute. Okay, I'm asking a friend to unmute and tell us what shape that is.
You are muted.
Oops. I asked a friend to unmute, and he did. Tell us what shape that is.
Circle.
Good job, man.
What color is that shape? Green. Good job.
All right, I'm going to ask another friend to unmute. I'm going to mute you again. And I'm going to ask this next friend to unmute. So when you see that unmute button,
see that blue button?
can you unmute for me? I'm going to pause our video real fast.
Do you guys know this one? All right, let's say it. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door.
5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.